Alright, so before we start with this, we're looking to up our subscribers. In case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And if you like this video, please do share with your friends and like it as well. Okay, so this was the first question which I had in CAT 2022 slot 2. And this is a paper I took in where I got the 99.99 percentile in Quant. Let's look at it. Okay. For some natural number n, assume that 15,000 factorial is divisible by n factorial whole factorial. One factorial is divisible by another factorial if it's going to be greater than that. The largest possible value of n, largest value n can take, okay, get rid of the factorials. 15,000 should be greater than n factorial. 7 factorial is 5,040. 8 factorial is 40,320. I don't need to write these as well. But yeah, I mean, with this, you know that, 15,000 is going to be greater than 5,040. Option 3 is the answer. You can mark that and keep going, right? Did I take so long to answer this? No, it took about 7 to 8 seconds to quickly get the answer. But then it took me another half a minute to be doubly sure, right? A lot of students keep asking me, should I check once again to make sure that I didn't make a mistake? Yes, you should. There's an answer. This question could have been answered by me in about 10 seconds, which I did. But I did not move to the next till I was just reasonably sure. Just check the wordings once again, right? CAT tends to be tricky, right? So just look out for those and make sure there's nothing lying over here and you're sure you can move on, right? So just refer to mockat.com. I've given you and I've told you to remember these factorials, right? You should be knowing 4 factorial is 24, 3 factorial you know is 6, 5 factorial 120, and then you have 720 for 6 factorial. 7 factorial is 5040, right? 5040. 8 factorial is 40,320. 9 factorial is 362,880, right? And 10 factorial is going to be adding another 0. So if you know these, I've told you to by heart, right? So then it becomes very easy and very quick. You will know that 15,000 factorial, right? For instance, 5 factorial is divisible by 4 factorial. Yes, because 4 is a smaller number. But is it going to be divisible by 6 factorial? No, because 6 is a bigger number. Numerator should be bigger than the denominator. So when I want 15,000 factorial to be divisible by n factorial whole factorial, I can get rid of the factorials in both cases. I need to know that 15,000 is greater than n factorial. So which n factorial over here is going to be smaller than 15,000? It's going to be 7 factorial. 8 factorial is bigger than it. Therefore, 7 becomes the answer. 8 is not even in the options, right? So you can't go wrong there.